Hey my friends, how are you? I hope you are doing well. And really, do you know what this thing is? I think so. No? Everyone knows what this thing is, okay? First of all, thank you very much for everyone that subscribes to my channel. I'm really happy with that. I thank you so much and I appreciate it. Okay, today's video, everyone has one of these at home. Okay, what am I going to do today? Do it yourself and Honeycomb Grid, but with no budget or low budget, okay? What are you going to need? Not the whole toilet paper, but the cartons of the toilet paper. So you have to go a lot to toilet because we are going to need a lot of these rolls. So you are going to need roll from toilet paper. You are going to need this thing, scissor. You are going to need paper, scissor, a marker, sorry for that, and a ruler, and of course color spray. First of all, you take the roll, you take the ruler and make points. I made it 1.5 centimeters. 1.5, and this is how it looks like if you mark it. When you mark it, then you are going to cut it with the scissor. So I'm going now to cut it and show you what you are going to do next. We are jumping now. Okay, now I am back. I have cut it in pieces. Then you take the pieces and you are going to use this tool. This is called, how is this in English? Sorry, stapler. You are going to use a stapler and take the two, and with a stapler, oh wait, a little open, and now, and then the next, okay, next, and you are going to do a lot of lines of that. You have to measure your softbox, the whole area of the softbox, and with this one it looks like a honeycomb grid, and the last thing that you are going to do is paint it with black. I will show you how it looks like, in my video, how it looks like, how it looks at my home how it looks. I have done it. So, and again, first you're going to need the roll, the ruler. You mark the lines, then you cut it. After you cut it, you take this super duper tool and stumbler it. Really, I don't know how this is called in English, so write it in the comments, please, if you can. And if you have a lot of lines, then you have the whole area of your softbox. So it is a very, very cheap solution to make a honeycomb grid without no money, guys. Only maybe $5, €5 for painting with black color. This is nothing, okay? Let me show you how it looks like. Wait a minute. Here it is, my very cheap softbox, and of course my do-it-yourself honeycomb grid with using toilet roll papers. What do you think? Okay guys, this was my video for today with a very, very low budget do-it-yourself honeycomb grid. Really, I am using this grid a lot, and it makes the job, okay? I really don't have any issues with that. It has a little weight, so you have to use a lot of clamps to hold it to your softbox. And again, sorry, I know that my English is really bad. I hope you have understanding for that, and I thank you so much for your support. If you can leave me a like, and of course a comment, tell me if you make this, tell me how it looks like, how do you find it, okay? Thanks a lot. I hope you are going to watch my next video, because in the next video I'm talking about a very, very useful tool for videographers, but in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching your Greek, German speaking and English trying to speak guy, your wannabe filmmaker Vasilis from Greece. Thanks a lot, guys. Ciao, ciao.